welcome to Fabulous Chef. In today's video, let's see how to make a very delicious basmati rice payasam. This is a very delicious recipe. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button. So let's get started. Let's see the ingredients for the payasam. Need about 1 cup of basmati rice, which is washed and dried. We need some ghee. Now let's take a pan and add about 2 tablespoons of ghee into the pan. When the ghee is nice and hot, let's add the basmati rice into the pan and stir fry it till the rice is nice and golden brown. So keep stir frying it till the rice changes a light, nice golden brown color. Let's preferably use a non-stick pan so that the milk does not stick to the bottom. Now you can see that our rice is changing color. At this stage, let's add about 1 liter of milk, which is about 4 cups of milk in the same cup which we measured the rice earlier. Now let the rice boil well in the milk and cook to a perfect consistency. Keep stirring it in intervals. Now you can see that our rice is well cooked and soft. At this stage, let's add a pinch of salt, about 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now let's add some sugar. Always add the sugar only after the rice is well boiled. Now I'm adding 1 full cup of sugar. You can alter the sugar according to your taste. And mix it well. At this stage, let's add about 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder. This gives a nice flavor to the payasam. Keep mixing it till the sugar is well dissolved in the milk. Now, in a separate pan, let's heat some ghee, about 2 tablespoons of ghee, and let's fry some cashews and raisins. Today I've taken about 1 teaspoon of cashews and 1 teaspoon of raisins. Stir fry it till the raisins are nice and plump and the cashews are golden brown in color. Now you can see that our raisins are nice and plump. At this stage, let's transfer the cashews and raisins into the payasam. Now mix all the ingredients together and check the sweetness. You can see that a payasam has come to a nice thick consistency. That's it, friends. A delicious, easy and simple basmati rice payasam is absolutely ready. Do try this delicious recipe. Like, subscribe to my channel and leave your comments below.